guys, welcome back to my channel, Keep My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're going to do a deep clean for my client in this particular room that has parakeets. She also breeds parakeets, and the birds are really, they're living in this room right now. However, we're going to move them out of this room, and, in the process of doing that, she wants me to come in and actually deep clean the room. So a lot of things that you see in the picture right now are, some of the items they're going to move out because these are, all the things are not going to be in here. They're not going to stay in the room. And so what I'm going to have to do is, now that they've removed all the items, I'm gonna have to do the deep cleaning part. And of course, there's a lot of dust in this room. There's a lot of bird feathers everywhere, and so they really want to turn this into an actual, guest room living space because they're expecting house guests over. So I had to come in and focus on cleaning the side walls. I'm gonna clean the baseboards, the window sills, and cleaning all the flat surfaces as well. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, you guys, just want to let you know that you will be seeing my client pop in and out sometimes just to have conversations with me. And she also has 2 dogs, and they absolutely, clung to me as well. So you'll see them in certain parts of the video as well. So she has parakeets, she has 2 dogs, and she has fish aquariums. One of my pre-screening questions that I ask my clients is, do they have allergies or do they have children? And of course, do they have pets? And the main reason is because, some children and pets are very sensitive to certain products. So unless the clients, authorize or say that they want something else, I typically like to use all natural products when I'm cleaning their homes. So in this particular video, I'm actually using the EverSpring all natural product. It's a product that I picked up from Target. I really like it. It's very light. It has a nice scent to it. It's not overpowering or anything like that. But a lot of times the clients are really not, they really don't have any choice or any preferences. But if I introduce some of these products to them and, they get an idea of what it's about, they don't really have an issue with it. But just from my own, just safety for the pets and for the children or infants or whatever, I do like to try my best to use all natural products when necessary. here's the final results of everything and how the room looks. It looks so much better, you guys. It smells so much fresher, and the dust is completely gone in the area. And I know my client is extremely pleased. She's very happy and excited about everything. But again, this was everything that I got done. I really just wanted to focus on, again, just trying to get all the dust out of here, and clean up the bed. It's a lot of bird feathers and stuff like that. It just gave us just like an overall different look. So if you guys are interested in any of my cleaning organizing services, my information will be linked down below in my description box. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.